Hello YouTube. This is going to be my third pack opening. It's going to be 107 packs here. Let's get right into it. Hopefully the luck is on our side today. Last one was pretty bad. As long as we get new players, it's good. Hopefully pull some diamonds though. Gotta go. And it's a new one, Jazz Chisholm. He will not make my lineup, but good for the collection. We got here, what we got? Bronze. It's all good. We'll heat up. Got another new player. That's good. Alright. Not the best pack, but that's okay. Come on. Let's get that luck. New player. That's good. Every new player is good. Alright. Not a great pack. Okay. I'd like to get a Shohei Ohtani or Mike Trout. Or even a Ketel Marte or Mookie Betts. Those will be my top four. Let's see what we got here. Come on, give us something good. Silver. Gary Sanchez, new silver, nice. Pack 96, come on. Let's get some heat going. Let's get some heat. Already got that silver. Okay. Come on. Nothing. I will show my lineup and everything at the end of the video. Hunter Goddess. Not sure how to pronounce that. He a starter or reliever? He's a reliever. Not very good for 9 stuff. There's silver. Lewis Gill. Nice. Pack 91. Nothing. Alright, come on. Need a big pole. Big pole today. John Walker. Pack 89. Johan Duran. Nice. If you guys want to check me out on Twitch, it is the same name as my YouTube. I stream Diamond Dynasty there, and I'm thinking about streaming a fantasy draft franchise mode. Just something else to do on the side instead of recording. If you want to watch recordings, go watch my Braves franchise. Oops. Pull some heat. Get some heat. Needed to heat up. I had some pretty bad luck in my last pack opening. But I had good luck in my first pack opening if you want to go watch those. Pulled a lot of diamonds the first day. And spoiler alert, for the third year in a row, I pulled Acuna on the first day. He's my favorite player, so it works out. Got diamond equipment, sight. Diamond bat. Nice. Orion Kirkering. Back 81. Come on, where's the heat at? 3,400 for Chapman. Okay. Well, I'm glad I just pulled him. So I don't have to spend. Oh, I got some socks. I have to spend 3,400 on silver. It's actually up to a gold now, but it doesn't change the rarity. Wish it would. It'd be kind of cool. A new silver, Lucas Urkeg, relief pitcher. Alright. Alright, we need a big pull. Come on. Need to heat up. Back 75, let's go. Randy Rodriguez. Oh, Braves jersey, nice. Got gold. Luis Arias, nice. On base hitting machine. That's 3 new players. That's good. All bronze. Use some heat, man. I'll pull a chase pack at 50 packs left. Then we'll do the other one after all the packs open. Carlos Rodon. Jacob Lopez. Pack 69. Jack Flaherty. Sam Hilliard. Come on, where's all the heat? Hurston Waldrop. New Brave. Nice. Come on, where's the heat? Need the packs to juice up. Come on. $65. 15 more and then we'll open a chase pack. $63. Come on. Dylan Dingler. What a name. Come on, come on, come on. Ah. Then my pack luck is beginning to run out. I did a 100 pack opening when the game first came out with the pre-order. I think I pulled like 6 diamonds. Most I've ever pulled on the first day in a 100 pack. Ever since then, my pack luck has just gone down. Not really surprised there, right? Come on. 58. 8 more and we'll do a chase. Silver. Dylan Cruz. He's my starting center fielder on my Diamond Dynasty team, so. But he's also like a 87 overall upgrade version. You'll see that at the end of the video. Got gold. Already got him. Six, come on. Heat up, packs, come on. Jacob Stallings. Slade Sassani. Got gold. I got him. Alright. Sean Bouchard. Pack luck is just not there. Let's hope we can heat up these last 50. Definitely need it. CJ Abrams. D1. We'll do a chase pack after this one. Alright, let's do a chase pack. Hopefully it'll change our luck. Gold. Bregman. Alright. Hopefully that changes our pack luck here. Come on. Need some heat. There we go. Called it. Come on. Give me a big one. Give me blue. Show me blue. It's purple. First baseman. Who is that? Jack Cagliano. Cagliano. I don't really know how to pronounce that. But it's a new diamond. It's good. Alright, let's get some more. Nothing there. Alright, don't change my pack luck now, come on. Come on, heat back up. Heat back up, let's go. Come on, game. You know you want to give me a big diamond. $45, let's go. $44, come on. Come on, heat back up. Let's go. Give me another diamond. Come on. 41. Ah. $41 packs left. Oh no, I just sold him. Oh well. This is on a bronze. Cole, Garrett Crochet, nice. Notice a lot of people are using his upgraded version that you get in the Diamond Quest, I think. A lot of people like that card. Jordan Westberg was my third baseman for a while. Into green. $35, come on, just like Kevin Durant. Slim Reaper. Vinny Swanee. I miss him on the Braves. He left for a good reason though. Yelich. $33. $32. Magic Johnson, right? I think so. Nothing. $31. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Nothing. $30 like Steph Curry. I don't know why I'm saying basketball players' numbers. Zach Nato. Darvish. Come on. Let's heat up these last few packs. Give us something good. Ryan Jeffers. $26. Pull a little bit more heat. Come on. Give me something. Come on, give me something. $24 like Kobe. What that means? Diamond? No. $23 like Jordan. Nothing. $22 Christian Yelich. $21. Come on. Andrew Vaughn, John King, Jesus Rodriguez. 20 packs left. Come on. I just want one more diamond. That's it. I'll be happy if I get one more diamond. Come on. 18 packs left. All bronze. $17. Come on. Got gold. I got them. Oh, 2 Braves. $16. I think my pack luck has ran out. Kyle Schwarber. I want that upgrade, Kyle Schwarber. Thing looks fire. Pack 13, can we get some Acuna luck? Acuna luck? No. Alright, down to 12. We'll pull that chase back after this one. We'll save the headliners for last. See if that changes our luck in the top 10. Alright, give us a diamond. Give us a diamond. Diamond, 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 diamond. Oh yes, come on. Be blue. Be blue, be blue, be blue. It's purple. Starting pitcher. Is that Bueller? Grissel. I already have him. Of course. He's a Brave. But that's 20,000 stubs, I think. Oh, almost 30. That's good. Alright. See if that changes our luck here in the top 10. Down to the end. Ah. Come on. Just give me one more diamond. Odds are you should pull one diamond in 50 packs, so pull one in 50 packs. See if we can pull another 50 packs. So far it ain't looking like. Down to 4. Bruce Dark-Gratterall. He's a free agent. Strikeouts per 9 is terrible. Bottom or top 3. Come on. Got gold. Glacius. Nice. I didn't know I didn't have him actually. That's a fire pole. Honestly, he'll probably go in my bullpen. I don't know who I'm going to take out, but he'll most likely go in my bullpen. Two packs left. Come on. Alright, last pack cheese. Nope. Bowden Francis. Alright, we got this headliners pack. See what we can get. Give us something good. Alright, well, let's go look at the team. So I got rolling right now. Soto on left, Cruz in center, Cody in right, Harper at first, De La Cruz out of position at second, but it doesn't affect his attributes too much. Adore short, Riley at third, of course. Jordan DH and Will Smith catcher. Off the bench, Corey Seager, Hassan Ramirez, Mike Piazza, and Justin Crawford for speed. Chris Sale, Zach Wheeler, Gilbert, Tom Glavine, and Bubba Chandler. This is my long relief pitcher because I need a lefty. I think I'm going to take out let's see what I want to do here. Let's go ahead and put him here. We're actually going to take him out. And put in Raisel Iglesias. And that's the only change I make to my team. Alright. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I don't know if I'm going to do another pack opening again because that's 2 out of 3 that I've had no luck. But we'll see what happens. But see you next time.